Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my maths classes. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. Welcome to my maths live classes. So, dear friends, we are going to discuss today. Today, we are going to discuss problems in exercise 10.3. Problems in exercise 10.3. So in previous session we have discussed up to 6 problems. Good evening, everyone. Yes. Now in this session we are going to discuss remaining problems. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Yes. Good evening, all of you. Yes. Now question number 7. Wait here. One second. Okay. All right. Now see, I am going to write the question. On the board. See, the question number 7 is, sorry for the interruption, the curved surface area of a cone is 1159 5 by 7 centimeters square. The curved surface area is, yes, good evening. The curved surface area of a cone is 1159 5 by 7 centimeters square. Area of its base is 254 4 by 7 centimeters square. 254 4 by 7 centimeters square. And find its volume. Then they asked us to find its volume. What are they given? Here curved surface area is given. Yes, good evening, everyone. Here the curved surface area is given. Good evening, everyone. Yes. So here curved surface area of a cone. First we recall all formulas which are belongs to cone. Okay. So it is a cone. Its base radius is h, height of the cone is h, and slant height is l. So here is at perpendicular, center is O. Okay, clear? Here curved surface area of a cone is given 1159 5 by 7 centimeters square, and area of its base is given. What is the base here? Yes, here base is circle. What is the shape of the base of a cone? Circle. Yes. So area of base of a cone is equal to pi r square is equal to 254 4 by 7 centimeters square. Keep it like this. Okay. Yes. Good evening. Now a curved surface area is given. What is the curved surface area formula? Yes, pi r l is given. So from the base of the area, now to find out its volume. So what is the volume formula? CSA formula is pi r l. TSA formula is pi r of r plus L, and volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay. Now pi r square h. Pi r square h, see here. Here what if I know r and h value, if I know the values of r and h, I can find out the volume of cone. Is it? I can find out the volume of cone. Clear? I can find out the volume of cone. But do you know here r and h values? Don't know. Then how to find r value? Good evening everyone. How to find the value of r? Yes. See, by using pi r square we can find. By using pi r square. Reason is here pi is known value 22 by 7 and r is unknown quantity, we can find easily. So now let us see, 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 254 4 by 7. Yes, it is in mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Now 254 into 7. 254 into 7 is how much? 7 4 is 28. I am converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 254 into 7 plus 4 by 7. So 7 4 is 28. Is it? 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37. 7 2 is 7 2 is 14 plus 3 17. 1778 plus 7 4 is 28. 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37. 7 2 is 14 plus 1 by 7. So we get here 1782 by 7. Okay. Now 7 7 gets cancelled. Then r square is equal to 1782 by 22. So now we are going to verify. Now we are going to verify whether it is 11th table is possible or not. So 11 2 is 22. 11 1 is 11. Okay. Next, what is the remaining here? 6 8 68. So 68 is divided by 11 6 times. Okay. And the remaining is 11 6 is 66. 68 minus 66 2. Okay. 22. 11 is 22. Next 2 1 is 2. 281 is 162. So then r square value is 81. R square value is how much? 81. And what about r value? Square root of 81, that is equal to 9 centimeters. So what is the value of r? 9 centimeters. Okay, clear. This is my rough work. I am erasing. Okay, is it clear? Now I found the value of r. Now what I want to find? What I have to know? The value of h I should know. If I know the value of h, I can find out value, volume of the cone. Since I know the value of r, so if I know the value of h, I can find out volume of the cone. So how to find the h value? Here we know that now only the value of r. Then how to find the value of h? Since we require the value of h also. Then how to find the value of h? How to find the value of h? Yes. And also here, if you observe the given question, here one more known value is there, that is curved surface area of a cone. That is curved surface area of a cone. That is curved surface area of a cone. Okay. What is the curved surface area of a cone? Formula pi r l. So pi r l is equal to 1159 5 by 7. Yes. In this, we know the value of pi, and also we know the value of r, and the unknown quantity is l. Sir, we want h. Then if we use this relation, we are getting l. So by using l and r, we can find h or not. How can you find the h? Yes, we know the relation l square is equal to r square plus h square. L square is equal to r square plus h square. So by using this relation, we can find the value of h. Is it? So what is my first step? So I found the value of r. My next step is I am finding l, and then I am going to substitute in this relation s. Yes, Venkatesh. So 22 by 7 into R value 9 into L value don't know, and again converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. See now how to convert it. 1159 into 5 by, sorry, 1159 into 7 plus 5. So 1159 into 7 multiply फटाफट. Yes, good evening. So 9 7 is 63, 7 9 is 63. Yes, 7 9 is 63, 7 5 is 12, 7 5 is 12 plus 6 18, 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8, 7 1 is 7 plus 5. You got 8130 now. I am getting here 7883. I am sorry. Yes. So 7 9 is 63. Okay, 7 5 is 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6 41. Yes, 41. I am sorry. 41. 7 1 is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. Yes, 7 1 is 7 plus 1, 8. I am sorry, 8113 plus 5, that is 8118 by 7. That's correct. Now 7 7 gets cancelled. Again we have to find L value, so 8118 by 22 into 9. 22 into 9. Yes, correct. 9 1 is, I am arranging rough work. 9 1 is 9, 9 9 is 81. So remainder is 0 here. In 1 it is not possible, so that we have to keep 0. I am dividing 8118 by 9th table. See, here 9 9 is 81. 9 9 is 81. Remainder is 0. After subtraction we are getting 0. So bring down 1. Is it possible to divide 1 by 9? No. So that take 0 times. So bring down next digit. So 9 2 is 18. So 902 by 22. Again here remaining is 902 by 22. So which table is possible? Obviously we can guess 11th table. So 11 2 is 22. 11 8 is 88. So if I divide 902 by 11th table, 11 8 is 88. Difference is to bring down to 11 2 is 22. So 82 times. Again 2 1 is 241. So finally L value is how much? 41 centimeters. Finally what is the value of L? Yes, 41 centimeters. Now we found the values of L and R. Now what is our required here? In 1 by 3 pi r square h, we need the value of r and h, but we know slant height, radius of base radius, but we want vertical height. Here h meaning is vertical height, L means slant height. Yes. Now find out the value of h by knowing that relation is L square is equal to r square plus h square. Yes, the value of L is 41 whole square is equal to r value 9 whole square plus h square. From here h square is equal to 41 square minus 9 square. It is like a square minus b square, no? So a plus b into a minus b. So I can write it as 41 plus 9 into 41 minus 9. Okay. H can find by using Pythagoras theorem, nothing but we found this relation already, so I am using this relation to find the value of h. Okay, clear. Now 50 into 41 minus 9 how much? 32 or? Yes, 32. 41 plus 9 is 50 into 41 minus 9 value 32. Okay, clear. Now don't multiply it. See, simple technique. Write as perfect squares. Okay. So 50 can be written as 25 into 2 into 32 can be written as 2 into 60. Any doubt? Yes. 25 into 2, 2 into 16. Now this is the value of h square, but we need the value of h. Don't multiply, simple. Now I want the value of h. So therefore h is equal to square root of 25 into 2 into 2 into 16. What is the square root of 25? 5. 2 2s are here. Take single 2. What is the square root of 16? 4. The final answer is how much? 40. Yes, 40. We can go with like this also. Now we came to the value of r and h, where r is 9 centimeters and h is 40 centimeters. Where r is 9 centimeters and h is 40 centimeters. Is it clear? Now substitute the values in this and you have to find the value, volume of the cone. You have to find the volume of the cone. Okay. Yes. Fatapat find out the volume of the cone. What is the formula to find the volume of the cone? Yes, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So where 1 by 3 is constant, pi is 22 by 7, r is 9 and h is 40 centimeters. Okay. Substitute fatapat. So it is the most selected model. See, they are not given direct any value, but they are given curved surface area and base area, and they are asking us to find value. Okay, yes. Shall I erase this everything? Okay. Finally, what is the value of r? Yes, the value of r is, yes, here the value of r is, here r is equal to 9 centimeters and height, vertical height is equal to 40 centimeters. Now volume of the cone is equal to, yes, is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into, I am substituting the values of r and h. R value 9 into h is equal to 40. 3 1 are 3 3 are 9. Okay. Now multiply 22 into 340 is 120. Okay. 340 is 120 into 9. 120 into 9. 340 is 120 into 9. 12 9 is 108. So 1080 by 7. So 22 into 1080 by 7. And if we simplify, we get here 1080 into 22. 1080 into 22. 1080 into 22. Find out 1080 into 22 how much? I substitute the values of r and h. Okay, clear? And then 22 into 3 9 is 27. 27 4 is 108. 0 by 7. And now see 1080 into 22. So keep 0 like that. Without 0 multiply. 2 8 is 16. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 2 1 is 2. 216. Here also 216. So add 7 3 2. So why? 23760. Yes. 23760 by 7. Now convert it into mixed fraction. Yes. 23760 by 7. So convert it into mixed fraction. 23,760 by 7. Yes. Now see, in 23, 7 divides 23 3 times. 7 3 is 21. Difference is 2. Bring down next digit 7. 7 4 is 28, not possible. So 7 3 is 27 again. 7 3 is 24. I am sorry. 7 3 is 21. So 7 minus 1 6. Bring down next digit 6 66. 7 8 is 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. How much? 7 9 is 63. 7 9 is 63. So difference is 3. And next bring down last digit 0. Okay. 7 4 is 28. So the difference is 2. So finally how much we got here? Difference 2. So we can write it as 3394 quotient as whole part and the remainder as numerator and the divisor as denominator. So this is the volume. Volume or units are centimeter cube. Since these all are in centimeters, so volume units of volume is cubic units. Okay. Units of volume is cubic units, so that centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. This is whole part 3394 2 by 7 centimeter cube. So this is the way to find this problem. So this is the solution of question number 7. Whether it is easy or very easy, you must know what is given, what is required, and what is the suitable formula to it, and what are the variables, means what are the values we require to substitute in the, to find the value of the cone is important. After identifying what are the ways to find out the values of R and H, you have to search. Okay. So we have succeeded in that. Okay. Then now we are going to solve. Yes, learn up. Another problem of the exercise. And this is the most important one. Question number 8 in the textbook. So I am going to write the question on the board. Okay, is it clear, my dear students? Yes. Now see the next question. See, a tent is cylindrical to a tent is cylindrical to a tent is cylindrical to a height of 4.8 meters and conical above it. Conical above it meaning is the conical part is above on the cylindrical part. Okay. Ajay Kumar, those many likes no need. Ajay. The radius of the base is how much? 4.5 meters and total height of the tent is total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Find the canvas required. Find the canvas required for the tent in square meters. Okay. For the tent in square meters. Right. See, don't unnecessarily don't chart now. So concentration is most important as these problems. Okay, clear? Now, what are they given? And the tent is cylindrical. A tent is cylindrical to a height 4.8 meters and a conical above it. So here what is 4.8 meters? Height of the cone. Okay. And the radius of the base is 4.5 meters. And the radius of the base is how much? 4.5 meters. And the height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Total height. Okay. Right. Find the canvas required for the tent in square meters. Whether these all are in meters or not? Yes. So no problem. So all are in. Okay. Now, first I am drawing. The base part is cylindrical. Okay. The base part is cylindrical. Upon this a conical and conical above it. On that a conical part is there. So like this. A conical part in this. Okay. Is it clear? Now see, the height of the cylindrical part is 4.8 meters. See, from here to here, if I take, this is the base radius, here is also base radius. Base radius will be same. This height is how much? 4.8 meters. 4.8 meters. Okay. And radius of the base is 4.5 meters. Base radius of is 4.5 meters, because on this same will be, so that base radius is 4.5 meters, and the total height of the tent is given. Total height of the tent is how much? From that means from the here to here. So total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Total height of the tent is 10.8 meters. Then what about this conical part height? What about this height then? This total height is 10.8. Then what about this height? Cylindrical height is 4.8. Cylinder height is 4.8. And the conical part height is how much? Don't know. But total height is given. Yes. So that means 10.8 minus 4.8. That is 6 meters. Very good. That is 6 meters. Total minus cylinder height. Okay. That is 6 meters. Now clear. Now they asked us to find the canvas required. So how much canvas is required to make this tent? That means what is required to find? Yes. We require to find. So I want here the question is how much canvas cloth is required to make this tent, this type of tent. Yes. How much cloth is required to make this tent? This is the question. So what I have to do? Yes, CAC. CAC of, so canvas required is CAC of cylinder plus CAC of conical part. CAC of cylindrical part plus CAC of conical part. So what is the CAC of a cylinder? What is the CAC of a cylinder formula? And CAC of a cone. So CAC of a cylinder is, what is the CAC of a cylinder? Curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is, yes, curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. Yes. And the curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. So in 2 pi RH and pi RL, 2 pi RH, pi RL. In this 2 pi RH and pi RL, what do you know? We know pi value, R value we know, radius, base radius of the cylinder and cone as it is same, because having same congruent parts. So radius is how much? They are given base radius as 4.5 meters, pi value is 22/7, and h value, height of the cylinder is 4.8. Okay, cylinder parts okay, everything we know. What are the variables here? R and H. We know the values of R and H. Clear. But the thing is here, come to the cone. CAC of a cone. Formula is pi R. Pi value is 22/7. R. Base radius is same like cylinder only 4.5. And what about L? And what about L? Slant height. Do you know the slant height here? If you know the slant height, we can find out the curved surface area of a cone. But in the given question, is it the value of L slant height? No. Where? What is the slant height here? Slant height means this value. Where is L value here? Tell me. Gotimukala. Here, where is L value? This is vertical height. 6 meters is vertical height. 4.5 means 5 meters is base radius. 10.8 minus 4.8, I kept arrow mark, see, vertical height that is. That is not slant height. Okay. So we don't know. So how to find? Yes. Again Pythagoras theorem, that means L square is equal to R square plus H square. So by using, so here base radius is 4.5 meters and height of the cone. Cone height is how much? 6 meters. We denote it as H here. So we know the relation L square is equal to R square plus H square. Now we are going to find where L is slant height. Okay. Right. So R value is how much? 4.5 whole square plus H value is how much? Height of the cone 6 square. So this is equal to L square. Okay, yes. So L square is equal to R square plus H square. Now 4.5 whole square is how much? 4.5 whole square. 2025, yes. 20.25 plus 36 plus 36. That gives us how much? So 36 plus 20.25, 56.25. So L square value is 56.25. Then what about L value? Square root of 56.25. Within fraction of seconds, can you find out the value of 56.25 under root? Can anybody? Yes. We can identify easily the square root of 56.65. The answer is 75. How? See. The answer is 7.5. That means 75. Okay. So it can be written as 5625 by 100. I know that the square root of 5625 is 75 by 10. That is 7.5. So L is equal to how much? Sorry, meters. Slant height of the cone is 7.5 meters. This is simple. If you want to find the square root of 625, okay, here 25, square root of 25 is how much? 5. I am telling how to find the square root of 625 when the last two digits are 25. And write 6 as product of two consecutive numbers. Write 6 as product of two consecutive numbers. That is 2, 3 are 6. The square root of 25 is 5. And write 6 as product of two consecutive numbers. 2 into 3, 2. Okay. So 25 is the answer. Okay, clear. Similarly, here 20.25 I wrote direct 4.5. See how 20.25 means what is the square root of 25? 5. And 20 can be written as product of two consecutive numbers. Yes, very much tricky this is. This 20 can be written as product of two consecutive integers. That is 4 into 5. Smallest one you have to take 45. Similarly, here also 56.25 square root is 5 and 56 can be written as 7 8 are 56. Consecutive product of two consecutive numbers. 7 into 8, in that which is smallest? 7. So 7 we have to take. So this is the way to find, it is easy way to find out the square root of when it is only applicable when the last two digits are 22 and 5. Okay, or else it is not possible. So it is clear that now we came to know the value of L. So every value we know now. Yes, now I am substituting. Therefore, canvas required. So canvas required is equal to CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of cone. CS of a cylinder plus CS of a cone. Okay? Yes. Now CS of a cylinder is 2 pi RH plus cone is pi RL. Okay? Now we know that clearly pi value same here. So 2 pi we can take out common or else substitute better. 2 into 22 by 7 into R value is, the value of R is with respect to cylinder. Of course, base radius is same same for cone and cylinder. So R is here 4.5 into height of the cylinder is 4.8 plus 22 by 7 into base radius is 4.5 into slant height how much we got 7.5. Slant height is how much 7.5. Now see the answer. Take out what are the common are they here. 22 by 7 into 4.5 is common. Okay, remaining 2 into 4.8. 2 into 4.8 how much Nana? 96. That means 9.6 plus 7.5. 7.5. Now simplify. 22 by 7 into 4.5 into 9.6 plus 7.5. Yes. 6 plus 5 11. 9 plus 7 16 plus 1 17. So 17.1. 17.1. This answer is meter square. So if you find the multiplication, if you find the product, this we will get answer. So 22 by 7 into 4.5 into 17.1 meter square. 17.1 meter square. Okay, clear? So if you find the product of these three, 22 by 7, 4.5 and 17.1, we will get answer. Can you tell me the answer? How much we get? So multiply 22 into 45 into 171 without decimal point. Okay. Then ladder keep decimal place and then divide by 7. Okay. And ladder divided by 7. Okay, clear? So this is the way to find the solution of this question. Okay. Now yes, okay. So did you get the answer? Please tell me the final answer. So here drawing the figure also most important. Okay. Now what I am going to write, that is most important question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is most important here. That is, what length of tarpaulin? What length of tarpaulin? 3 meters. 3 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent. Make a conical tent of height 8 meters. Of height 8 meters. See here. 241.8. Yes. That's correct answer, I think. 241.842. Okay. Okay, Deshani. So the next question is, yes, okay, 241.842 square meters. 241.82 square meters. Yes. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Now we make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. And base radius 6 meters. So what length of tarpaulin is required? Where 3 meters width of the tarpaulin is given, but they ask us to find length will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. Base radius 6 meters. Okay. Here, assume that here the extra line is given. Assume that extra length of material. Extra length of material. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required. That will be required to for stitching margins yes, I am erasing it. I hope you are all written the solution. Yes, margins and wastage in cutting. It is the most important question. Last question of this session is approximately 20 centimeters. Approximately how many centimeters is given? 20 centimeters. And they said that they use pi value as 3.14. Pi value as 3.14. Yes. This is the last question of this session. Okay, my dear students. See here. What length of tarpaulin? 3 meters width. It is having width 3 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters. So here some tarpaulin is here. Okay. Its length we have to find. We don't know. Okay. And its width is 3 meters. They are given. Required is L. With this, they are made a conical tent of height 8 meters. That means it is 8 meters. Okay. And base radius 6 meters. Base radius 6 meters. Okay. Of course, we know that it is perpendicular. They asked us to find L. And in this, some part is used for. And in this, some part is used for. Some part 20 centimeters is used for what? For stitching and margins. Okay. So till here I have taken as L, and this is extra. This cloth is they are used for this 20 centimeters. This 20 centimeters cloth is used for what? Yes, for stitchings and for margin stitching and for wastage. Okay. Okay. Just for example, I have taken that part they are used. Now what is given? 3 meters. Okay. 8 meters and 6 meters. They are given like that. What is this 8 meters? Conical tent height, and 6 meters is base radius. And here 3 meters width is the tarpaulin's width. Okay. Now they ask us to find length. See, first of all we have to find. See, what is used here? This tarpaulin is used to make a tent. So this area, this shaded area is used for stitching and margins. Okay. Then what is the remaining part? This is the remaining part. This unshaded area is used for. This unshaded area means means is for us meaning is this is a remaining tarpaulin. Okay. So by using this unshaded part, we have stitched this. We have make a conical tent. So in this process, this shaded part is wasted. For suppose that length is 20 centimeters and width is 3 meters. Okay, clear? Yes. Now they ask us to find total length is how much? They ask us to find out total length. They ask us to find total length of the tarpaulin. Okay. Now, can you guess this area and this area becomes, the area of this part becomes to the conical tent. How it becomes? What is it? What is the relation between the area and this area? If I folded it, it becomes curved surface area of the tent, is it? So, this area is nothing but curved surface area of the conical tent. So what is the curved surface area of a conical tent formula? Pi RL. We know that CSA of a conical tent is pi RL. Do you know L value? Don't know. Do you know L value? Don't know. So the value of L is we have to find out. Since by using Pythagoras theorem concept, So what is the length of slant height here? What is the measure of slant height? Are you clear, my dear students? What is the relation between this one and this one? Yes, 10. Because 8 8 are 64 plus 6 6 are 36. Total 100 under the root is 10. So on direct I have written, use Pythagorean find out. Now, so here curved surface area of a conical tent is pi RL. Pi RL. Okay. And here pi value is 3.14 into R value is how much? 6 meters and L value is 10 meters. If we multiply, we get some answer. So what is that answer? 6 4 is 24. Okay. 6 4 is 24. 6 1 is 6 plus 2 8. 6 3 is 18. So 1884. So we get here decimal point. But actually here 10 is there. So a decimal point we get here. 188.4. What is this 188.4? Meter square or centimeter square? Meter square. This is the area of cloth what we used to make a conical tent. Whether I am correct or not. This is the area. This area is nothing but 188.4 meters square. Okay. Now your breadth is 3 meters and total length is I have taken as this much. Okay. Now see. Now total length we want. Okay, let it be 20 centimeters. Now this area. So length of this part into breadth. This is in the shape of rectangle. Now length into breadth. This area is equal to 188.4. Okay. So L into, but what is breadth? 3 meters is equal to 188.4. Okay. From here L is equal to how much? 188.4 by 3. Is it clear? L is only up to here only. I am not adding 20 centimeters. Okay, my dear students. So I am finding first this part. After finding this value L, I will add 20 centimeters to it. Then I will get total length of the tarpaulin before we stitch. Okay, right. So 3 6 are 18. What is remaining? 8. 3 2 are 6. Okay. 3 6 are 18. 3 2 are 6. Remaining is 2. 24. Point what? 3 8 are 24 meters. So up to here how much for now? 62.8 meters. Up to here how much? 62.8 meters. But I have to add this wastage also 20 centimeters length. But it is in centimeters, it is in meters. Okay, clear? Till here 62.8 meters. But it is in centimeters, it is in meters. I have to add 20 centimeters to 62.8. So don't add direct 20 to it. We will get 82.8 meters. But here units are not same. So convert here wastage is how much? 20 centimeters. So convert it into meters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. 1 by 100 meters. So 0 gets cancelled. So 2 by 10 means 0.2 meters. 0.2 meters. Now 20 centimeters I converted into meters. 0.2 meters. Now we can add to 62.8. So therefore final length of the tarpaulin is, so therefore length of tarpaulin is how much? 62.8 meters plus this wastage 0.2 meters. Total is 63.0 meters. Total how much? 63.0 meters. Okay. 63.0 meters. That means 63 meters. So what is the length of the tarpaulin? 63 meters. Yes. So this is the way we have to find this solution. For solution of this problem, it is the most selected one. Because they are even a small twist is that their wastage of this tarpaulin also they are given, and they ask us to find out the final length of the tarpaulin. What length of the tarpaulin 3 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base area 6 meters. But they are also given one point is that assume that the length of the material that will be required for stitching, and stitching margins and wastage also is there in that cutting. So then what is actual length of the tarapaulin before we cut or before we make a tent, conical tent? So this is the solution of the question number 9, my dear friends and students. By this today's session we are going to end, and in the next session we discuss solutions of remaining problems. Okay, so I hope you are all clear about these solutions. So I request you to please follow our classes, and please hit the like button without fail, and inform to your friends to join in our classes, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you do not subscribe. And also click on the bell icon to get the notifications. So thank you everyone who attended for this class, and all the best. And if possible, I will give in description today onwards some questions after uploading this video. Okay, bye. Thank you all once again. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you everyone. So write your fair notes also.